Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see the fifth rule of interface. So what is fifth rule? A interface cannot implement another interface. What does it mean? In the previous, we have seen that a interface can be implemented by a class. Means a class can implement the interface, but a interface cannot implement another interface. So here we will see with the example. This is a calculator 1 which is an interface, and this is a calculator 2. It is also an interface. Now this calculator 2 implementing to this calculator 1. So it is not possible. If calculator 2 is a class, so class can implement to interface, but interface cannot implement to interface. Now we will see with the code. So here we will make a class. Now here I will write the main method interface calculator. Inside this, I will write a method void add. Now, this is our interface. Now we will have a interface calcu calculator to implement calculator. So here it is showing error. Why? Because one interface cannot implement the another interface. So why is it so? Because there is a one method add, so we cannot inherit it inside the interface, because if we inherit then we have to give a body, but inside the interface it is not possible that we will give a body. It does not has implementation, so that's why it is showing error. If we want to implement anything, then we have to give a body in the subclass, so it is not possible in interface to give a body. That's why it is showing error. Now we remove this interface and we write class. Inside the class we will give body. Feasibility should be same, so that's public. Now see, there is no error, but if we write interface, so it will showing error implements, because interface cannot have a body, and if we want to inherit anything, then we have to give a body in the subclass. So that's why one interface cannot implement the another interface. Now we will see the sixth rule. An interface can extend any number of interface. So here our one interface is calculator 2. It wants to extend calculator 2 1. So it is possible. One interface can extend to another interface. Why? Because while here we are writing implements means in the interface, what we do, we write only the method, not the body. And when we write this method inside the another class, then we have to override it and give a body. So this implementation is forced to give a body, but extend does not force to give a body, so that's why it is possible. We will see with the code. See here. Here we are extending another interface. So this is our subtract method. So if we don't want to give a body, we simply write like this. So if you don't want to give a body, then it will not show any error. And if you don't want to keep this body method only, then it will not show error. Why? Because extend does not want any body implementation. But while we are writing implements, so we have to give a body. But the problem is that inside the interface, we cannot give a body. but implementation forced to give a body. So that's why one interface cannot implement another interface, but one interface can extend another interface. So this is our sixth rule. Now we will see the next rule. If a class partially implements interface, it must declare itself as abstract. Here in the interface we have two methods, void add and void subtract. So these are our class calculator 2. So this class calculator 2 implementing to calculator 1, and we want only the add method to be have the body, not the subtract method. So what we will do? We will do abstract in this calculator class. So we will see the code. Here, this is our class. Here we will write implements. So we have one method. Now the other method I will give subtract. So we want that I will give a body for this add method only. So what we will do? Public void add. We are giving a body for this, and we don't want to give a body for this subtract. So here we will write abstract. Now it will not say anywhere. If we want to partially implementation, like a class partially implements interface. So here one class is have a body and another class we want to one implementation only, then we will write the class as abstract. So this is the three roles, and we will discuss more rules in the next video. Okay, so thank you. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.